At Triangle Software, we are committed to continued innovation. And today, we are excited to introduce to you X-Ray. X-Ray is a powerful tool that lets you run right-angle reports directly from Excel. Now anyone set up as a user in right-angle can access reporting without using up a valuable right-angle license seat. X-Ray ties directly into right-angle security, so users will only see the reports they would otherwise see with a full right-angle license. All domains are supported. Every report and every saved report view is supported. Set a report's criteria in Excel just as easily as you could in right-angle. With X-Ray, each tab or worksheet can be a new instance of a report. Add custom formatting, graphs, and pivots that reference your data. Saving a workbook makes accessing and opening all your reports just a double click away. Refresh your reports and pick up right where you left off, or share your workbook with colleagues. Security by internal BA? We handle it. Open reports as detail? We handle it. Get data when you need it. Log into any app server and pull data from whatever environment you desire. No more copying from right-angle and pasting into Excel. No more data retrieval limitations based on right-angle specifications. No more unnecessary licenses for users just needing access to reporting. X-Ray is powerful, sleek, and built with the customer in mind. Its user-friendly interaction and cost-saving capabilities will position you to get more out of the right-angle you already own. X-Ray, right-angle, innovative.